Starting and keeping a business going can feel like trying to find your way through a complicated maze with lots of rules and too much paperwork. That's where Northwest Registered Agents steps in. They're famous for being really helpful in making things clear and simple, which makes starting and running a business easier. This video is all about showing how easy and effective it is to use Northwest for anyone looking to start a business without spending too much getting lost in the process. And if you would like to sign up to Northwest, I left my affiliate link to their website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started with this video. Northwest Registered Agents, a family-owned business formation company, stands out for its unique approach to customer service and privacy. With over 900 employees and servicing over 3 million businesses nationwide, it's a testament to their dedication to helping entrepreneurs succeed. Using Northwest Registered Agent to set up and look after your business is straightforward and user-friendly. The process of ordering their services is simple, making it quick to get started. They offer additional services and options known as add-ons, which are explained in clear, easy to understand language. When it comes to paying, they lay out the methods available, ensuring there's no confusion. Once your order is in, they don't leave you in the dark. You get secure online access to see how your application is doing. This means you can check the progress of your business formation anytime. Plus, you have a direct line to communicate with your registered agents. This feature is great for asking questions or getting updates. It's all designed to make the experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible, letting you focus on growing your business. Now, when you go to the Northwest Registered Agent website, you will see lots of choices right away. These choices are buttons you can click on, each one for a different thing you might need for your business. If you need someone to handle legal papers for your company, there's a button to get a registered agent. Thinking of starting a limited liability company or a different kinds of business? There's a button for that too. They even have options for setting up a website or getting a domain name, making it easy to take your business online. The way these choices are laid out is meant to make things easy for you so you don't get lost. This setup helps people who are starting businesses find exactly what they need quickly. There's no need to dig through lots of information or click around a lot. Everything is clear and straightforward so you save time. This kind of design is really friendly to users, especially if you're new to setting up a business and need a little guidance. Northwest values your privacy deeply, offering what they call privacy by default. This means they automatically protect your personal information without you needing to request it or pay extra. They design every service to safeguard your privacy, ensuring your details are only shared when absolutely necessary. This approach is particularly reassuring in today's world, where the misuse of personal information is a common concern. It demonstrates their commitment to respecting and protecting your privacy. Their corporate guides are another aspect to set them apart. These are the people ready to answer any business question you might have. They act as your navigators through the complex process of starting and running a business, helping you dodge potential pitfalls along the way. These guides invest time to understand your business and offer customized advice, aiming not just to assist but to ensure your success. This level of personalized support is invaluable, especially when you're navigating the challenges of launching a new business. When you scroll down the Northwest website, 3 main choices catch your eye. The first option, hire us as your registered agent, is a gateway to a suite of services designed to streamline your business operations. Choosing Northwest as your registered agent means your business benefits from immediate services and a business address, all under the umbrella of their privacy by default commitments. Moreover, the offer extends beyond just basic services. It includes mail forwarding and the option to add a domain name, website, email, and phone number at no extra cost. But what exactly is a registered agent? Well, it's a person or company appointed to accept legal papers and official mail on behalf of your business. This role is crucial because each state mandates that businesses have one listed in their formation documents, making this information public. It's a foundational aspect of legally establishing and maintaining a business in good standing. The reasons to choose Northwest are compelling. They're the only national registered agent service that scans every document locally, ensuring both high quality control and increased customer satisfaction. Their corporate guides offer personalized assistance, guiding you through state bureaucracy with expertise and no scripted conversations. They fiercely protect your privacy, never selling your data and opting to use their business address on public filings to shield your personal information. Furthermore, they offer free limited mail forwarding for up to 5 documents per year, invaluable service for keeping in touch with clients and investors. They found the sweet spot in size, large enough to offer reliable service, but small enough to ensure you're not just another number. Instant access to your accounts and necessary forms, alongside free online tools for easy filing and annual compliance reminders, simplify business maintenance. Their straightforward pricing with no hidden fees or sudden price hikes makes financial planning predictable. Lastly, their ethos of doing business the right way, no gimmicks, no hidden fees, just straightforward, reliable service, sets them apart in a crowded market. The second big choice on the Northwest Registered Agent website is Let Us Form Your LLC or Corporation. This part talks to people who want to start a business the right way. It tells you that picking someone to help start your LLC or company is important. They ask you to think about who will handle your important papers and how they do it. They don't just fill out forms and forget about you. They care and do things carefully for a low price. Northwest stands out for many reasons. First off, their team is packed with experts like paralegals and accountants who know all about business laws and get things done quickly without sticking to a script. Secondly, they protect your private information, a big deal since they don't sell your details to others unlike some other sites. Choosing them means they don't just file paperwork, they become your registered agents. This means they handle all your official mail and legal documents, scanning everything at their local offices, which is super helpful. They're upfront about costs, so there are no surprises. Plus, they offer extras like company-specific documents. They're in it for the long haul, aiming to support your business long-term, not just profit off you. They earn your trust by directly handling your important documents, setting them apart from others, and showing they're truly on your side from day one. The third option is download our legal forms. Northwest offers a valuable resource with their collection of free business and legal forms, covering everything a business in the United States might need. Whether you're setting up an LLC, managing a corporation, or running a nonprofit, they have you covered with easy-to-access forms. Creating a free account unlocks a treasure trove of forms for every state from California to Massachusetts, without a single cent required. This account not only gives you access to a wide array of forms, but also provides tools to manage and save your documents efficiently. The service promises no intrusive email marketing or unsolicited newsletters, ensuring your data remains private. Beyond just forms, Northwest provides support to various business needs from formation to web hosting, always free of charge. Their library includes essential documents for LLC like articles of organization and operating agreements, and for corporations including articles of incorporation and corporate bylaws. Even unique business situations like sole proprietorships or partnerships find their necessary paperwork here ready to fill out and file. For those facing legal challenges, Northwest also offers a range of legal forms to assist in filing or defending lawsuits. This comprehensive approach to providing forms and support reflects Northwest's commitment to being a one-stop shop for business owners, ensuring they have the tools they need to succeed without worrying about costs or privacy concerns. And lastly, if you would like to sign up to Northwest and get professional legal help, for your convenience, I left my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.